Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with Nasdaq. This is the daily chart on Nasdaq and we had a nice turnaround here. This seems to be a bullish flag for me, and so we are on our way up, but of course we need to get back above the previous all-time high in order for me to say that yeah, this was a bullish flag and we are running to the upside. But so far it looks good. Sp500, let's go over to Sp500 and see what is there on the daily chart. This is Sp500 on the daily chart. Here we had a nice run up, a pullback, which could be seen as a bullish flag, and now we are on our way up also. So let's see how we close today. If we close to the green, especially if we go over to the top, then this bullish flag formation is confirmed, and it is also confirmed that the flag has ended forming. Dow Jones, let's go over to Dow Jones and see what is there on the daily chart. This is Dow Jones on the daily chart. We had this run up, pullback, and actually we didn't manage to continue the run and we pulled back, and this could be a warning sign because here we have a lower high. Of course we need a lower low, so let's see what happens here. But of course until we are above this line, above this 35,490, as long as we are above that, then I'm not worried. We may have pullbacks, but this is just a bull run. Usually there's a big bull run when we cross previous all-time highs and previous resistance. So that's Dow Jones. Let's go over to Germany and look at the German index daily chart on the German index DAX. Here we go. I've got a price target around above 16,300, and we have a nice bull run. We've spent some time around this resistance. I consider this a support as long as we are above this level, above 16,020, something like that. Then I'm not worried about the bull run. That's Germany. Japan, let's go over to Japan. Nikkei, Japanese index. That's the daily chart on Nikkei, the Japanese index. Oh, we had a bullish formation here, but we didn't manage to go and build a higher high yet. In fact, this could also be considered as a double top, which is bearish. But in this case we should break down below this level. Let me see which level it is. Below, when we break below 28,970-ish levels, then that's very bearish for Nikkei. And yeah, well, actually what happened is on the daily we came down, touched the 20-day EMA and bounced back. So I'm not really worried about this bull run yet, so there's no problem with this. I think as long as we are above this level, then I think we are going to continue to go and run up, run to the upside. Good. Russel also had a pullback to the 20-day EMA. In fact, pullback to this which I consider support, and it's not a problem. It's very healthy that we pulled back here. Now we need to continue our run to the upside. We will see, but I'm not worried as long as we are above 2,366 levels. Even though you can say that we have the high here and we had a lower high here, We had a low here and a lower low. Yeah, that doesn't look very good. Let's see, but as long as we are above this area, I think we are going to continue the bull run. So let's see what happens and what develops here. Let me just draw something, because this could help us make a nice prediction. I need yeah, let's just connect the candle bodies here like that. Okay, and maybe starting here, but let me see where. Something like that. The bodies, the bottom of the bodies. We need the bottoms like that. Good. Now this is what I consider to be a wedge, actually a falling wedge. So to me it seems that sooner or later we are going to break to the upside and come to the top of this wedge. If I look at the bodies, it's 24.43. What if I connect the wicks? What happens then? The wicks. Wicks. Let me try to work with the wicks. It's a wedge, but only 2 points here, 2 points there. Not very. Yeah, the bodies look better when I connect the bodies. Anyway, it does seem to be a wedge, so it's a bullish sign. For me it says buy the dips. I need to start to build a long position with a stop loss under this area. Okay, let's go over to the Indian index, Nifty. And Nifty disappointed me, didn't break above this neckline, in fact pulled back, and that was not very good, not a very good sign. And right now we are continuing our way to the downside. So we had a high, a lower high, possibly a lower high here, low, low. Maybe we will see if it's a lower low, but yeah, maybe this area right here is just consolidation. We will spend some time here going up and down, because 20-day EMA is still above the 50-day EMA, still bullish, but we broke down below the 50-day EMA. We should go back up there. Let's see how this daily candle closes. If we go back up there, then that's a good sign. If we break down below, that's a bad sign. As you can see, in this bull run we never broke below the 50-day EMA. In fact, we were above the 20-day EMA, but here we broke down below 20-day EMA, and that was not a very good sign. We tried to pull back and get back above it, but eventually we broke down again. In fact, right now we are trying to break down the 50-day EMA also. So we need to wait and see how this daily candle closes. That's all for now. See you next time.